Welcome back to CES 2019. I'm Ruben Wilcock, founder of Future Worlds, and we're going to do another tech dive. And this time it's going to be about Highfield Diagnostics, a super clever spin out from the University of Southampton. We've got one of the co-founders here, Professor Rob Eason, and they use lasers, to detect whether you have certain conditions. And the way it works is they take a piece of paper and they deposit a monomer or polymer that turns into a monomer using lasers, and that creates channels, almost like barriers within the structure of the paper where the material, the fluid, can move up. And so unlike a pregnancy test where you might be testing for one thing, are you pregnant, are you not pregnant, what they can do is they can create 5, maybe even 10 different channels, and you can test for all these things at the same time. And you'd put plasma, body fluid on the end, it works its way up, it reacts with the antibodies, and then it comes up with whether you've got a positive or negative test. And you'll have a control in there as well, so you know whether the test has worked. So what we've done at CES is we've created for Rob a really good visual way to show people how this works. Obviously this is a giant version of what you'd really have. And so you'd put your plasma on the end there, and it would move up through the sample. In this case, it's testing for 4 different things, I think, and you can tell whether you got them. So you could test for a whole suite of STIs or different conditions like that in one extremely cheap, extremely low-cost paper test. So that's another tech dive from me, Ruben Wilcock, at the Future Worlds stand at CES. If you want to find out more, go to futureworlds.com and click on CES 2019.